parang before pa, one of our dreams na rin is to have this kind of thing, parang ECU experience nga po. And kasi parang ang dami namin gustong i-share. But this time around, for Simula at Wakas, kasama sa concept namin, this era is yung experience na. So even yung texture, yung mararamdaman ng tao kung ano yung ginagawa namin. Kaya saktong-sakto yung Simula at Wakas na dito namin gagawin first time, yung ganitong bagay. Yes. Pero, yun nga, even though it's the last part of the trilogy, hindi pa rin nila na-experience yung pagsibol at pagtatag. So, for sure na may aabangan sila sa susunod. General concept of Simula at Wakas. We thought of 1032, which is our creative team po na we worked with na rin with our previous projects. And this time around, sobrang sakto kasi nga, the concept that we think of is somehow parang yun din yung ano nila, ano bang tawag ko? Master your dream project. Kumbaga yung concept na yun, ginagawa na rin nila before sa mga personal activities nila. So yun po, we're very thankful na ang galing, nagkakataon lahat, nagsasakto. So ayun, syempre gusto namin shout out. Thank you so much, 1032.